with another video. So first you're going to need you a medium-sized saucepan. I only have a big one, but if you have a small one, get you a small one. And we're going to start off with 2 cups of frozen strawberries. Next, we're going to just dump those into our pot. And I'm starting off with 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to taste it as I go. If I need some more, I will add more and give you guys the total amount at the end. Okay, so next I'm adding in a half a teaspoon of cornstarch. Okay, so I'm not going to add any water because strawberries by themselves already have a lot of water in them, let alone when they're frozen. As you can see, there's, you know, pieces of ice already around the strawberries because they were frozen, so therefore it's going to have even more water in it versus the fresh. So you don't need to add any water. It's just going to give you a soupier sauce that's going to have to cause you to use more cornstarch to thicken it up. So at this point, I am going to turn on the heat and stir. Stir it up. Nice so. The sugar's going to melt and a nice sauce will start to form. I'll be back in a few minutes. So here I'm just stirring it up. And as you see, it's already starting to release some liquid. It's already doing it. Okay, so that was just a half a tablespoon of lemon juice. So as you can see, y'all, it's turning pretty. It's turning so pretty. Look at that. Look at that glaze that's forming. And this is only like after about 3 minutes so far. So it'll be done in a couple more minutes. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. Like, it only took about maybe 7 minutes, 8 tops. Yeah, look at that texture. Look at the glaze on that. It's nice and thick from the cornstarch. If you notice, the sizes of my strawberries did get smaller because I did cut them. I'm using mine for the topping of a cheesecake, so I wanted to make mine a little smaller, so I went ahead and just sliced them out right here, right inside the pan. So the pot, I mean. So yeah, you can do the same, or if you prefer, leave yours whole. You don't have to cut them, but that's what I did. I'm going to take this off the heat, transfer this to a bowl so it can chill, and put it in the fridge. Guys, so this is it transferred to my bowl. That is going to go into the fridge. But yeah, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Yummy, yummy, yummy. And of course, you have to taste it. You have to taste it, okay? To make sure it's sweet enough to your liking. If you need to add a little bit more sugar, go ahead. If you really just want to add some more water, just do it maybe a tablespoon at a time if you're adamant about it being just a little bit more juicier or anything like that. But it's really not necessary. The lemon juice that you're going to add is already an extra liquid to add, so you should come out with a similar texture and amount of liquid like so. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in the next one.